Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find story template on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Templates for Instagram stories are customizable, designed to create and produce content to share on the image and the video sharing social media platform. You can find these templates on various sites, and we assure you they will become your best seller if you are an entrepreneur, have a business or a personal brand. So how to do it, how to find the templates on your Instagram for your Instagram story. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just open your camera. Now you can just slide up and you'll find there is an option like collage, music, templates, photos, and videos. Because we want to use templates, you can just tap on templates on here. Now you can just choose on the template that you want to use for your Instagram story. For the example, I will choose this one. Now you can just customize your template. You can put song, or maybe you can add your photo on the template. For example, I will choose this one. Now you can just share it to your story. So when you share that story with the templates, anyone who sees the story, they can also share a story with the same template as you. So that is how to find story template on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.